Welcome to Media Britonics, and thank you for joining this complete tutorial on online tutoring. In this video, we will explore how online tutoring works and why it has become a trusted way to teach and learn. Online tutoring allows teachers to connect with students from anywhere using the internet. It supports academic subjects as well as practical and vocational skills. This model works for children, teenagers, and adults alike. Many learners prefer it because of flexibility and comfort. Throughout this tutorial, everything will be explained in a clear and simple way. Online tutoring is the process of teaching students remotely using digital tools. Lessons are delivered through video calls, learning platforms, or shared documents. Tutors and students do not need to be in the same physical location. This makes education more accessible to people in different cities or countries. It also allows learning to fit into busy daily schedules. Communication remains direct and interactive despite the distance. This balance of flexibility and connection is what makes online tutoring effective. One of the main advantages of online tutoring is accessibility. Students can learn from their homes without spending time or money on travel. Tutors can reach learners who may not have local access to quality education. This is especially helpful for rural or underserved areas. Lessons can be scheduled at convenient times for both sides. Learning becomes more consistent when location is no longer a barrier. This opens opportunities for a wider range of students. Online tutoring covers many academic subjects that students commonly study. Mathematics, English, science, and social studies are among the most popular. Tutors can help with homework, exam preparation, or concept understanding. Lessons can be adapted to school curricula or personal learning goals. Visual tools like digital whiteboards help explain complex ideas. Regular practice and feedback improve student confidence. Academic tutoring online supports both struggling and advanced learners. In addition to academic subjects, online tutoring is widely used for vocational and practical skills. These include computer skills, language training, business knowledge, and creative fields. Many adults use online tutoring to improve job-related abilities. Lessons are often focused on real-world application. Tutors can share screens and demonstrate processes step by step. This makes learning practical skills more engaging. Vocational tutoring supports personal and career growth. To start online tutoring, the first requirement is a reliable internet connection. Clear audio and video help create a smooth learning experience. A computer, tablet, or smartphone can be used for sessions. Headphones and a microphone improve sound quality. A quiet and well-lit space is important for focus. These simple tools form the foundation of online teaching. Proper setup helps both tutor and student stay comfortable. Choosing the right platform is another important step. Many tutors use video meeting tools designed for online learning. Some platforms include built-in whiteboards and file sharing. Others focus on simple video communication. The best platform depends on the subject being taught. Ease of use is important for students of all ages. A stable platform reduces technical interruptions. Consistency helps build trust with learners. Planning lessons is essential for effective online tutoring. Each session should have a clear goal and structure. Tutors should prepare materials in advance. This may include notes, exercises, or visual aids. Planning helps manage time efficiently during sessions. Students feel more confident when lessons follow a clear flow. Good preparation improves learning outcomes. Organized lessons reflect professionalism. Communication plays a key role in online tutoring success. Tutors should explain concepts clearly and patiently. Asking questions helps check student understanding. Encouraging students to speak builds confidence. Active listening shows respect and care. Clear communication reduces confusion and frustration. A supportive tone creates a positive learning environment. Strong communication strengthens tutor-student relationships. Building engagement is important in a remote learning setting. Tutors can use interactive activities during lessons. This includes quizzes, discussions, and problem-solving tasks. Visual examples keep students interested. Regular feedback helps students stay motivated. Short breaks can improve focus during longer sessions. Engagement keeps learning enjoyable and effective. An involved student learns better. Time management is another important aspect of online tutoring. Sessions should start and end on time. Tutors need to balance explanation and practice. Rushing lessons can reduce understanding. Spending too long on one topic may cause boredom. A steady pace helps maintain attention. Clear timing expectations benefit both tutor and student. Respecting time builds professionalism. Assessing student progress is part of quality tutoring. Tutors should regularly review what students have learned. Simple quizzes or practice tasks can show improvement. Feedback should be constructive and encouraging. Identifying weak areas helps adjust future lessons. Progress tracking motivates students to keep learning. Clear assessment supports continuous improvement. This ensures lessons remain effective. Online tutoring also requires patience and adaptability. Technology issues may happen occasionally. Tutors should stay calm and flexible. Students learn at different speeds. Adjusting teaching methods is often necessary. Patience helps create a safe learning space. Adaptability improves lesson quality. These qualities build long-term success. For students, online tutoring encourages independence. Learners take responsibility for attending sessions and completing tasks. They develop time management skills. Digital learning builds comfort with technology. Students can review recorded lessons if available. This supports self-paced learning. Independence increases confidence. These skills are valuable beyond education. Parents often play a role in online tutoring for younger students. They help set up devices and schedules. Parents can monitor progress and communication. Clear expectations improve cooperation. Tutors should communicate respectfully with parents when needed. This teamwork supports student success. Parental involvement adds stability. A shared goal benefits everyone. Safety and privacy are important in online tutoring. Tutors should use secure platforms. Personal information must be protected. Sessions should be conducted professionally at all times. Clear boundaries maintain trust. Recording sessions should only happen with permission. Respecting privacy builds confidence. Safety ensures a positive experience. Consistency is key to long-term learning. Regular sessions help students retain information. A fixed schedule builds routine. Missed lessons can slow progress. Tutors should encourage steady participation. Consistency strengthens learning habits. Reliable schedules show commitment. Long-term success depends on regular practice. Online tutoring can support exam preparation effectively. Tutors help students understand exam formats. Practice questions build confidence. Time management skills are developed. Tutors can focus on weak areas. Stress is reduced through preparation. Exams become less intimidating. Preparation improves performance. Language learning is another popular area for online tutoring. Students practice speaking and listening skills. Tutors correct pronunciation gently. Cultural understanding can also be shared. Regular conversation improves fluency. Learning a language online feels more relaxed. Exposure to real usage helps progress. Language tutoring benefits learners globally. Online tutoring also supports lifelong learning. Adults return to education to gain new skills. Learning is no longer limited by age. Flexible schedules suit working individuals. Personal growth becomes achievable. Knowledge stays updated with changing times. Lifelong learning keeps minds active. Online tutoring makes this possible. Tutors should also continue improving their teaching skills. Learning new methods enhances lesson quality. Feedback from students is valuable. Reflection helps identify areas to improve. Professional growth benefits learners. A good tutor remains open to learning. Improvement leads to better results. Growth is ongoing. Technology continues to shape online tutoring. New tools improve interaction and clarity. Digital resources expand learning options. Tutors can explore new features carefully. Keeping lessons simple remains important. Technology should support learning, not distract from it. Balance is essential. Thoughtful use enhances education. Online tutoring creates global connections. Tutors and students learn from different cultures. This exchange builds understanding and respect. Learning becomes more meaningful. Exposure to global perspectives enriches lessons. Education feels more connected. Diversity strengthens learning experiences. Online tutoring bridges distances. As we come to the end of this tutorial, online tutoring stands out as a flexible and effective way to teach and learn. It supports academic growth and practical skill development. With the right tools, planning, and communication, success is achievable. Online tutoring benefits students of all ages. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great, and if you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section.